Hello everyone, I am Karan Jain and I welcome you back on our channel Pabbly. Today in this video we will learn how to inform your team in Slack when reviews are submitted to Google My Business. Okay, so the idea here is, suppose you are running a boutique, you have a boutique. Now whenever a customer updates the review or gives a comment to your boutique on Google, you want that review and the comment and the name of the customer should be sent to Slack, to the channel you have created in Slack in a particular format of message. But the problem here is, if you'll follow the manual process, you have to first collect the details of the customer, the comment and the review manually. Then you have to manually type a message on the channel on Slack, and finally you will send it to your team members. This process will be very repetitive, long, and it will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, whenever a new customer will give the review or give a comment, drop a comment on Google about your boutique, automatically it will be sent in a format of message, the name of the customer, the stars he had given and the comment he has dropped in a format of message in the particular channel you have created in Slack. So for that I have used two applications here. First I have used Google My Business. So this is a tool provided by Google which helps you to mark your presence in Google world, which includes the search and the map in Google, of course. And secondly I am using Slack. So Slack is a messaging application which is used to connect people. Okay. Now here I have to face one problem. The problem is there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together, so that every time a customer will give a review to your boutique or drop a comment about your boutique, automatically it will transform into a format of message where the name of the customer will be added, the stars will be added, how much he has rated to our boutique, and of course the comment will be added, and it will be automatically sent to the channel you have created in your Slack account. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to have any technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, so the idea here is, as you can see on my screen, this is my boutique, which is Parampara Boutique. Okay, I'm running this business, and now whenever a new review will be updated for my boutique here in Google, automatically this review will be sent to the channel I have created in my Slack account in a particular format of the message. So the comment which has been shared by a customer, the review which he had given, and the detail of the customer, like the name of the customer, these all of these things will be sent in a particular format of a message in a Slack account in the particular channel. So let me first show you the account, my Slack account, and let me show you the channel where the review will be updated. Guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Slack. Okay, as you can see on my screen, and this is the particular channel, My Business. Now as soon as we will update a review on behalf of our customer there in Google, automatically that review and the comment and the name of a customer will be shared here in this channel in a format of message. Let me show it to you how. Let's update a review on behalf of a customer. So guys, I'll write a new review here. I'm giving my boutique 5 stars, of course, and let me write the review. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, I have wrote the comment on behalf of the customer. Though not a great fan of Indian dresses, but must say I was impressed by the collection. Now I'll click on post, and you can see our review has been successfully posted here. Now it may take 5 to 10 minutes to get updated in the channel. So let me take you to my Slack account, and we will wait for 5-10 minutes, and you will see automatically this details of our review, comment, and the name of our customer will be shared there in our channel in a format of message. Let me take you to my Slack account. Guys, here you can see right now there is no message has been updated. Let's wait for 5-10 minutes. And guys, you can clearly see on my screen a message has just arrived in our channel which says, "Hi everyone, we have received a new review from our customer. Name is Michael Karas, rating is 5, comment is, though not a great fan of Indian dresses, but must say I was impressed by the collection." So guys, you have seen how perfectly and in real time the review, the details of our customer, the review and the comment has been sent in the format of message to our channel in Slack as soon as we have updated the review in our Google, on the Google, I mean. So you must be thinking now how it is possible. Just by updating the review, whenever the review is being updated on Google, automatically a format of message is being shared to our channel on Slack. So let me show you the process of integration on my screen, guys. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pabbly Connect to Google My Business. So what we're gonna do first we will log in into our Pabbly Connect account. Then we will integrate Google My Business with Pabbly Connect, okay? Why we are integrating Google My Business with Pabbly Connect? Because we want the details of the reviews and the comment which a customer has given to our boutique. So it is important to first integrate Google My Business with Pabbly Connect for that. Now step number 2 says collect the data from Google My Business in Pabbly Connect. So I have already told you the reviews, the latest reviews which we have got for our boutique. I want that details of the customer, the particular rating he had given and the comment he has dropped should be transferred into Pabbly Connect. So step number 2 says the same. And step number 3 says send the same data in the format of a message on Slack. So in the final step, in the third step, we will be integrating Slack with Pabbly Connect because we want to send the same data to the channel which we have created in our Slack account in a particular format of a message. Okay, so let's start with the process. Let me show it to you practically how you can do the process of integration on my screen, guys. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. Type Pabbly, remember, Pabbly. Press enter. As you can see on my screen, this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is click on products and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are using Pabbly Connect. So click on Pabbly Connect. Okay, now we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. For the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, guys, you have to click this and you can create your free account, completely free account in just 2 minutes because I am already logged in. So I'll click on sign in. Okay, once again, you can see all of the applications offered by Pabbly. As you know, today we are in use of Pabbly Connect. So come here and click on access now. Let it load for a second, guys. So we have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. This is how the dashboard looks. Now we have to create a new workflow. For that, you have to come to your right corner and hit this blue button which says create new workflow. A mini box will appear in front of you which will ask you to name your workflow. So let me give it a name. As you can see on my screen, I have given it a name. I have given the workflow a name after the 2 applications which I am integrating today so that it will be easy for me to remember. Now I'll click on create and I have successfully entered the workflow. Here I'll be performing the steps of integration. Now before we start further, let me share one important information with you. The workflow I'm creating today, this current workflow, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box. So you can click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. Guys, please don't forget to go and check the link. Now, let me first read out what it is written here so that I can explain you what is the meaning of trigger and action and why they are given here. Now here it is written, trigger when this happens, choose your first application trigger, action do this, choose your next application action. Okay, so trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. In this particular case, the trigger event will be whenever a new review will be updated in your Google My Business account, automatically that review will be sent to the group, to the channel we have made in Slack in a particular format of a message. So this is the response. You understood? Trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Okay. Now let's start with the process. We have to first integrate Google My Business with Pabbly Connect. So for that, you have to click on your first application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for Google My Business. Okay, click here. Now a new field of trigger event has emerged in front of you. If you'll click this arrow, you can see the particular trigger event. Now I want to choose this trigger event, new review. So I'll click on it and now I'll click on connect. A mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options. I'll click on add new connection and now I'll click on connect with Google My Business. Okay, I'll enter with this particular account. And now guys, Pabbly is asking me for my permission. So your data is completely safe and secure with Pabbly. You need not to worry about your privacy and you can freely press continue. Guys, as you can see, I have been successfully authorized in. Now here you can see the review location here. It is already mapped Parampara. So Parampara is the name of my boutique and this is the only business I am running through my Google My Business account. So automatically this page will be mapped here. I mean the location will be mapped here. All I have to do is save and send test request. So the latest review which has been there updated on my Google My Business account will be captured here. Let me first show it to you. Let me take you to my account, to my business profile, and let me show you the latest review I have received for my boutique. So here is the review by Mark Mandal, who says visited Bhopal, India for the first time and I love the traditional outfits I have bought. Now the details of Mark Mandal, the comment and the review, this rating he had given to us will be captured here because this is the latest review. This is the last review which has been updated for my boutique yesterday. So it will automatically be captured here, all the details, as soon as I'll hit the save and send test request button. Okay, so let me show it to you. Let me show you the responses. Here you can see the name of our customer is Mark Mandal. He had given us the 5-star rating and here is the comment he has dropped for our boutique, and you can see the rest of the details like the date and the time. So this shows that we have successfully integrated Google Business Profile, Google My Business with Pabbly Connect, and we have successfully captured the details of our latest review along with the customer. Okay, now we will jump to our next and final step, which is integration of Slack with Pabbly Connect. Why? Because I want this review this review and the rating should be sent to the particular channel I have made in my Slack account in a particular format of message. Okay, so for that it is important to integrate Slack first with Pabbly Connect. For that you have to click on your next application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for Slack. As you can see on my screen, this one you have to choose, Slack. Now a new field of action event will emerge in front of you. If you will click this arrow, you can see the various action event. Now I want to choose this particular action event because I want to send a channel message but without the image. So I'll be choosing this and now I'll click on connect. Okay, so it is asking, a mini window has emerged in front of me asking for two options. I'll click on add new connection and now I'll click on connect with Slack. Okay, so it is asking us for the token. Here you can see in the description it is clearly written, enter the token type as either user or bot. To know more about Slack token, you have to click here. So either you have to write user or you have to write bot. So I'll write bot here and now I'll click on submit. Okay, it is asking me to log in. So let me log in here first. So guys, you can see on my screen, I have been successfully authorized in. Now here we have to fill up the values. Okay, we have to map the particular values accordingly. Now the first, it is asking channel. If you'll click this arrow, you can see the various channels. Now these channels it is showing in the scroll down are the same channels which are there in my Slack account. So I have logged in into my Slack account. Let me show it to you. Here you can see at my left corner some channels are shown to you. Now these channels, all of these channels can be seen here in the drop down. Now for this particular workflow I have created this channel which is Google Business Review. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll map this particular channel in my Pabbly Connect account. How? I'll click on this arrow and I'll search for the particular channel which is Google Business Review. I'll simply click on that channel and it will be automatically be mapped. Now the message type will remain plain. Okay, you will be given two options. Now you have to choose for plain text, and here you will write the content of message. As I have told you, the reviews and the comment will be sent to the channel in a format of message. So here you have to type the format of message. Let me type the format of message and let me show it to you on my screen then. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the format of message which I have typed. Let me read it out for you. Here it is written: "Hi everyone, we have received a new review from our customer." The name of the customer will be mentioned here, the rating he has given, and the comment. So we have to map this particular values, these three values, the name and the rating and the comment. How? You have to click on, you have to take the cursor at the name, then you will go to the scroll down. Now click on the scroll down. You can see the responses. You can see all of the responses which we have captured above here in Pabbly Connect. The same responses can be seen here in the scroll down. Or all you have to do is go to the scroll down, search for the value. First it is asking for the name. So my cursor will be here in front of name, and I'll simply map the name which is Mark Mundell. Then I'll come to the rating part. I'll search for the value. He had given us the rating 5 rating. And then I'll come to the comment, and then I'll map the comment which is you can see on my screen: visited Bhopal for the first time and I love the traditional outfit I have bought. So I have successfully mapped the details here, the values, 3 of the values which we have mentioned in the format of message. Now you have to leave this 2 of the fields, bot name, bot icon. You need not to do anything about it. Now I have already shown you the particular channel. So this is my channel. As soon as we will hit this button, save and send test request, automatically this message will be sent here in this channel. Let me show it to you. Let me hit this button, save and send test request for you, and let's see what are the responses. Guys, the responses are completely positive. You can see on my screen. Now let me take you to my Slack account, and here you can clearly see the message has been sent to our channel, the same message, the same format of message which we have typed in our Pabbly Connect. So guys, you have seen how perfectly the integration has worked. Now let me show you one more time. Let me tell you what we have done in our workflow. So it was a very simple workflow of just 2 steps. First, we have integrated Google My Business with Pabbly Connect. Why? Because we wanted the details of the customer and the comments and the reviews which we have received, the latest comments and the reviews which we have received for our boutique to be captured in Pabbly Connect. So we have integrated Google My Business with Pabbly Connect. Then in the second step, we have integrated Slack with Pabbly Connect because I want to send that reviews of our customer in a particular format of a message into the channel which I have made for this workflow. So here we have integrated Slack with Pabbly Connect. Guys, one more thing, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box. So you can directly click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. Guys, please don't forget to go and check the link. Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.